This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Grand Design is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, slide-out, LP detector, spare tire kit, microwave, refrigerator, CO detector, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, stove-top burner, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200MK is 4,796 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.